If you're just starting off, as soon as you can, you want to get around people that are living the life that you want to live, that have the business that you want. My name is Billy Sticker with Chiro Candy Marketing, and we are in the chiropractic space. I've been in the group for about 5 years or 4 years, and so I've gone from 1 million to 3 million. Once you're at that 7-figure status, it is easier to scale to 2 million, but then getting up to 3, it takes, what got you here is not going to get you there. So you have to have different processes in place. So what's been great about being a part of a group like this is being able to go through the process with other agencies and being able to collaborate. Hey guys, this is what I'm struggling with, and this is what I'm struggling with too. Well, how can we solve this? And having such a solid group of people that's experiencing the same thing in their business that you are, and being able to collaborate to overcome those things has just truly been invaluable. This is one of the things Josh and I have talked about. There's probably not a whole lot of things we do different. I specifically joined for the community, to be around like-minded individuals going through the same thing in life and in business that we were. That's what attracted me to 7-Figure Agency. In the next 6 to 12 months, one of the big things we're doing, and we started it 6 months ago, is implementing AI. So we have a whole new offer, just a whole different way we're approaching our clients and solving their problems. So we're really looking forward to that next, 4 million and 5 million stage. Obviously that's our goal, where we want to get, and we're really leaning into AI. We believe that's what's going to help us get there. To me, the most valuable component about 7FA is simply the community. Just the types of people, the relationships that you build, not just, business associates, but true friends that you can reach out to no matter what's going on. We've shared, meals together, and sometimes we're talking about business, sometimes we're talking about spiritual things and family things. It's just great doing life with such an amazing group of people. If you're just starting off, as soon as you can, you want to get around people that are living the life that you want to live, that have the business that you want. So I want to encourage you to join 7-Figure Agency. You need it. It's going to help you to go further faster. If you already have a successful agency, you need this community. It's going to help solidify things in your agency. You're going to be around people that are, doing greater things than you, and it's going to inspire you and help equip you, once again, to go further faster. So I cannot recommend 7FA highly enough.